Hi. In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product.
There's a revolution in miter saws, the Delta Cruiser miter saws, the latest in power tool engineering. Born from military-grade aluminum, they're built with patented technology and easy-to-use features like front bevel and miter release for fast adjustments. These saws have the latest technology and the quality users demand, and they have the largest crosscut capacity in their class. The robotic arms have 12 individual bearings for incredible accuracy and smoothness. The 15-amp industrial motor has a belt drive system for smooth cutting and quick motor braking. The shadow guide LED light system indicates blade travel and lights up the workspace. It has a 52-degree left and 60-degree right miter capacity with 10 detents, or bevel to 47 degrees left or right so you can cut it the way you see it. Delta Cruisers are built for years of trouble-free service, and they're backed by a 5-year Delta warranty. Insist on the newest miter saw technology, a Delta Cruiser. Available in 12-inch or 10-inch blade models. Delta, the measure of precision.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.